when you're doing the front shock, you're going to want to leave the car on the ground for the first nut that you want to get off of it. All right, so you're going to have to get under the front bumper here. And the reason that you want to do this on the ground is because the angle of the bolt, it'll push it into that spring perch if you have the car jacked up, so you won't be able to get to it. It's that nut right there. So I'm just going to take that off. Okay, so now that you got the first nut off, you can go ahead and jack the car up before you do the other one. Just makes it easier. Take the front wheel off. All right, got the car up. And that's the nut right there that you're going to be going for next. We got that one off, so now you need to pop the hood. And those are the two bolts holding in the strut. So same thing, 13 millimeter on that. So we got those nuts out. So now your shock will just pull right out. I shouldn't say pull right out, you kind of gotta finagle it. You're also going to want to make sure that you have a good shop dog. Hi, buddy. He's a little shy for the camera. You just have to pull on that top piece right here, kind of twist it, and the rod will pull out. Next, I'm making sure that there's no hardware left in here from the old one, which I know there's a washer right there. And then you're just going to put her back on down in there. Come back here, line it up with the holes. So I started here by just putting a nut on this front one, tighten it up just a little bit. I'm not really worried about the washers or anything right now because I'm just doing that so that it doesn't pop out of the holes when I'm up top, lining the top part up to the bracket. So just gotta line that up. I was having trouble getting it to line up, so I had to jack up the lower control arm. Right there. Trying to get it so you can see. Jack up the lower control arm there. Now I'm going to come back down here. Tighten those up. Make sure you use the rubber washers that go on before the nut. All right, so now we're going to put the bottom part on. I'm not going to reuse the old hardware. Came with new stuff. So it goes rubber up with the metal washer below it, and then the nut on the bottom.